gets real fast, but only when I can't afford the gas. It's been forever since I changed your tags, but it's okay, it's okay.